In life, we have to face lots of difficulties and challenges. How to develop abilities to face these squarely? So, for that, what we need is building a strong character, having a solid courage, accountability. We should hold ourselves accountable, strong determination, and finally, adaptability to change whenever necessary our tactics. So the first is strengthen your character. How do you do that? Character is what makes us who we are. That means our personality is reflected by our character. What and how we take a decision also depends upon the strength of our character. Character is something that a person works hard for building. It is not just developed, it is conscious effort for developing a strong character. Skill number 2, you require a strong courage. Develop courage and risk-taking abilities. Ability to do something that frightens you and that too bravely. This is what you have to practice. Strength in face of pain and grief. That also is a part of your courage building exercise. Should be able to control your emotions. Point number 3, develop accountability. What is accountability? That you should hold yourself responsible for all the actions and the results thereof. Whether it's an event, tasks, or experiences, everything you should consider that you are responsible. Accountability is about setting goals, targets, being responsible for delivering them and accepting the potential sanctions. Point number 4, develop a strong will, power, and determination. Persistence on anything is required and must be carried out, and that requires a strong determination. You should be determined to do something, and only then, with discipline, you can invoke persistence. Persistence is absolutely essential for doing anything significantly. Number 5, complete the task that you start. It's very important that whatever task you undertake, that should be completed, and that should be completed as best as you can. The circumstances will change, and therefore you should have the adaptability. You should be able to adapt yourself even if you have planned, modify your plan, and be ready to face the changed circumstances. If you want to face these difficulties of life squarely, bravely, with courage, you have to develop all these 5 skills. All these 5 skills, if you develop, then you will be able to hold up